Hi guy, look at our new upgraded 30-watt solar trickle charger. You can charge inside the car using this cigarette socket. It's so simple to connect this a plug and play. This set of solar trickle charger come with 10A 12V and 24V. It have MPPT and PWM management. It's so simple to connect, no more positive and negative connect problem. Look, old my god, it really work after charging. I got now 13.6, 13.7, 13.6. My battery now back to super good condition. It really works so well. I had set my highest charge rate at 13.5 to 13.8 so it won't overheat my car battery with this upgrade controller and my 30-watt solar panel. As you can see, today is a crowdly day. Once I plug in the solar panel kick to charge the battery. As you can see, the number 13.7 stop jumping show there is current charging front of the solar panel. So easy to connect. Solar panel plug into the left hand side of the controller and cigarette connect to the right hand side. That all simple. Look, now the numbers stay put at 13.7 below what I set, 13.8. If sunny day once over 13.8 the controller kick and you can see number jump. It charge between 1 to 13.8. Hope you enjoy my video. And God bless all.